In this video, I just want to show you how you can trade the news and make money every week from the forex market. You can actually focus on trading only the news and be a profitable forex trader. High impact news release refers to an economic or geopolitical event that has a strong potential to significantly move the forex market prices. Examples of high impact news release include interest rate decisions like the US Fed, the ECB for the European currency, or the BOE for the Great British Pound. You can as well have the non-farm payroll, which is referred to as the NFP, which is actually a key employment report released monthly every first Friday of every month. That drives the market so crazy. You can as well have the inflation data like the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, or the Producer Price Index, PPI. You can as well have the GDP, the Gross Domestic Product, which is a measure of the economic growth of an economy. You can as well have the central bank speeches, especially from figures like the Federal Share or the ECB President. You can as well have the unemployment rate, high impact news release, which shows the labor market health. And as well, you can have the retail sales data, which indicates the consumer spending strength. And as well, you can have the geopolitical events like elections, major political change. All right, these are examples of the high impact news release that can actually impact the market. Just like you can see in a few weeks ago, you have the President of the United States, Donald Trump, imposed 10% baseline tariff on many nations of the world. That drove the market crazy and caused a high spikes in the market prices. That is just a recent example of what high impact fundamental news release can do, and many traders, several traders like you and I, can capitalize on such events in order to make profit, and you can build a strategy around it. So in this video, I'll be showing you several strategies, up to 3 strategies that you can use to make money every week, because these high impact news are being released every week. All right, every week, and you can make money every week from the forex market trading only those high impact news release. Now, where can you track this news? There are several websites that you can track this news. Examples are the Forex Factory, investing.com, myfsbook.com, fxdaily.com, tradingeconomics.com, babypips.com. There are 3 strategies that you can use from my years of experience. There are 3 strategies that has a good chance of giving you consistent profits every week from the forex market when it comes to trading the news or high impact news or trading the fundamentals. The first strategy is the straddle strategy. The second strategy is the point of interest strategy. And the third strategy is the rebalancing strategy. All these strategies I have used over the years. Each of them is good. All you just need to do is to backtest them and know which one that resonates with you. All right. Before I move into explaining each of these strategies, if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you are finding value from it, and share this video with your friends, and let me know from the comment sections what other aspect of trading that you want me to make educational videos for you. If you're yet to as well join our free Telegram community, kindly do so. The link to the free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. In that free Telegram community, I share free setups and analysis that can help you to trade profitably and become a profitable forex trader. As well, if you want me to mentor you, help take you by the hand and help you to become a profitable trader, regardless of how long you spend trading the forex market, I can help you do this. All you just need to do is to contact me. My contact detail is in my Telegram community, and the link to our Telegram community is in the description box of this video. Now, let's talk about the straddle strategy. What does it mean? From the name straddle, it means you can actually make money regardless of the direction of the market. It's just like setting a trap. You set a trap on the buy side and on the sell side, and you wait for the news to be released. Now, look at just an example of that strategy, this straddle strategy. Now, this assumes this is where the market was before the news was released. It always, before the market is before the high impact news is released, the market will always have like a consolidation, right? When the market have like a consolidation, you place a buy stop order here, just slightly few pips above the consolidation, if just maybe like 1 minute or few seconds, 30 seconds before the news is released, you place a sell stop order as well. Okay, like 10 pips, 10 pips away from the buy side and 10 pips below for the sell side. All right, and now you hope that whatever side that the market goes to, and you now have like a take profit here, probably 20 pips here, take profit, maybe probably 20 pips or 30 pips, depending on the particular news. As not all high impact news release has the same impact. Okay, if it's a very high impact news release like the NFP or the FOMC, it could possibly go more than 20 pips. Okay, so what happens once the news is released? The market activates your sell stop order to hit your take profit, or activates your buy stop order to hit your take profit on this side. All right, and should the market come this way and wants to go back, you have like your stop loss for the sell stop order somewhere around here, right here, and the stop loss for the buy stop order somewhere around here. So that is the straddle strategy. It's like setting a trap. Whatever direction the market goes, you basically cash in on that. Or like you can see here, just like in this case, this was the NFP release, and you can see there's the trader here has placed a buy stop order here and a sell stop order, and on this occasion the sell stop order was activated, and the take profit could be around this point. Okay, so you can see here that this was where the market was before the market was released. There was a consolidation, and then the sell stop order was activated, and you can have on one candle the take profit was hit just on one candle. All right, that is the efficacy, or how good this strategy is when it comes to trading the high impact news release. Okay, you just have to follow the rules, know where the market is, just slightly few seconds before the news is released. You place your buy stop order like 30 seconds before the news is released, your buy stop order and sell stop order, and you wait for the market to activate any of those and hit your take profit. Okay, so in essence, this is how this strategy works here. This is the schematics that shows this. The market will be like consolidating in this region to be your entry at the or for the buy side. For the sell side, your take profit target, for the sell side, take profit target for the buy side. All right, and your stop loss will be here for the buy side, and the stop loss will be here for the sell side. So this is the straddle strategy. So now the second strategy now is the point of interest strategy. It's also one of the lovely strategies, okay, to trade the high impact news release. And what does this strategy involve? You need to identify your zones, your demand zones, your supply zones just before the news is released. Probably the market is around this point. You have the market, you have like your zone here, okay, and the market is around this point. Okay, so this is your supply zone. So in this strategy, the market is consolidating around this point. You just wait and expect that the market would ride up fast into your zone, trade into your zone, mitigate your zone, and sell down. Or you have your demand zone here, okay, and the market is consolidating, and just before the news is released, and you expect that once the news is released, the market spikes down to your zone. You could have a sell stop order here, or a buy stop order at your zone just before the news is released, and you expect that the market will buy up fast. Now, ideally, I would expect, if there was no news release, I would expect to have like an entry confirmation in form of exchange of character and a return to order block. Ideally, if it's not going to be a news release. But when you are trading a strategy, when you are trading the mitigation of a supply or demand zone during the news, you may not see your smart money SMC entry confirmations. All right, you may not see it at this point, so you could just, it's going to be an aggressive entry once the market taps into your zone, possibly like a sell limit. All right, sell limit or a buy limit order, or you just, once the market comes in here at the news release time, you just get in there aggressive because you may not see entry confirmations here. I don't know if that is clear. Okay, so now let me show you how they've traded something like that. You can see here just before the news is released, this is GBP JPY. All right, GBP JPY before the news is released. My this is a trade that I took. My demand zone was marked. Okay, as the demand zone was marked, and I was expecting that the market would swiftly tap into this zone and buy up so fast. So in this case, you may not see entry confirmations at this point. So let me show you how this turned out. So you can see here, just with in one candle, all right, this was where the market was before the news was released. With just one candle, the market spiked down and went straight up just after the news was released. Okay, so this is the second strategy that talks about the mitigation, the point of interest strategy, the mitigation, swift mitigation of either your supply zone or your demand zone. Okay, you can as well see this one as well. Another example for the buy scenario, the market was consolidating here just right before the news was released, and it's also, this is USD card 15 minutes time frame. And now once the news was released, what happened was the market just spiked down and mitigated the zone. And I don't think there was an entry confirmation. Let's see. So we can see here, okay, this one gave an entry confirmation here. If you step down to lower time frame, you're going to see entry confirmation. But the market spiked down with just one candle and bought up. Okay, right. So here as well, for the sell scenario, for this strategy, the market was consolidating, building liquidity, trend line liquidity or the lower time frame. And then as the news was released, this is for Euro USD 15 minutes time frame last year, November last year. As the news was released here, the market spiked up and sold down. You can see that here. Okay, the market just spiked up, activated this, and sold fast. Okay, that is one way you can trade the high impact fundamental news. Okay, now this is another scenario, another case of a buy sell scenario. This one, with one candle, the market spiked up and now sold here swiftly. All right, so now let's look at the third way you can trade the news, and that is the rebalancing strategy. This is one of my favorite as well method. This one does not put any pressure on you. And what happens is that the first two strategies that I've just showed you, the straddle strategy and the point of interest strategy, you are actually waiting for the news to be released, and it requires your attention. All right, but this rebalancing strategy, you do not necessarily have to wait. You don't necessarily have to participate or be involved when the news is being released. This is sort of like a way of doing it. That is to say, you wait for the news to be released, and you have the market spike down if it's going to be a sell scenario. And once the market has spiked down, you wait for this. As the market spikes down, the market creates an imbalance. Okay, imbalance, strong momentum, and this imbalance has to be filled in form of a rebalance. Okay, rebalance. Okay, so the market has to be filled, and to cover the inefficiency that was created by the release. Let me explain again. So you have that the market spiked down after the news release. The market, and you have an imbalance here. The market should give you like an entry confirmation and start to rebalance the imbalance. Okay, so this would be my entry somewhere around here after the the news was released, and I see like an entry confirmation to rebalance the imbalance. Okay, to rebalance the imbalance. Okay, so this is for the sell scenario. Now this is called bearish imbalance and bullish rebalance. Now the buy side, the market spikes up after the news was released, and now you have a bullish imbalance, and now you want the market, you want to now trade the bearish rebalance. Okay, bearish rebalance. Bearish rebalance. Okay, so this is the strategy. So let me show you what I mean on the chart. Now you can see in this case that this is bullish imbalance. Bullish imbalance. Here the market spiked up just after the news was released, and now you want to wait, and now wait for entry confirmation trade. You now trade the rebalance. Okay, you now wait for like is identify a break of structure to the downside on the opposite side of the imbalance. All right, opposite direction of the imbalance. Okay, this is the zone, supply zone created. You now trade the rebalance down. That is for the sell scenario. This is bullish imbalance and bearish rebalancing. So you are trading the rebalance. This is the rebalance. This is going to be your trade. Okay, this is your trade. You are trading the rebalance of the imbalance. Now, flip side, this is where the market was before the news was released. The market spiked down. This is the bearish imbalance, and now you trade the bullish rebalance. This is going to be your trade. All right, so this is your bullish rebalance. Okay, so let us see here. You can see here that this market spiked down, and now you get entry confirmations around this point and trade the rebalance up. All right, trade the rebalance up. See how that worked out here. So these strategies I've given you, these three strategies are born out of years of experience, years of trading. So what I expect you to do is to backtest this strategy, these three strategies of trading the high impact news, and identify which one resonates with you the best. I tell you, if you just focus on trading only the news, you could actually save time, short time, and you could also have opportunities to make money every week. One thing I love about the news is that you have high volatility when the news is released. So you have the chance of making money so fast. And but what I need to state is that you need to apply good risk management, because it could also be risky trading the news. If you do not have the experience in trading, you could actually blow an account if you do not use good risk management. So you need to apply good risk management while trading the news. But then I would like you to backtest these strategies and know which one resonates with you. If you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, do not fail to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. Support my YouTube channel, because I give you free information that can help you, that I've learned, that I've developed for years, and I give you for free on this channel, just as my way of contributing to helping you become a better trader. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you find value from it, let me know if you found value as well from the comment section. And also, if you want me to take you by the hand, you want me to mentor you, I have several people I've mentored from several parts of the world, and I've seen mentoring, and they are doing so well in trading. If you want me to mentor you, help you to become great, release secrets to you, help you to become a better trader, regardless of how long you spend trading, I can actually help you. All you need to do is to contact me. My contact detail is in my free Telegram community, and the link to my free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. So if you want me to help you, please do contact me for a small consideration. All right, so I come your way next time with the next week content. Do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.